How to switch Mint Mobile step by step. To switch to Mint Mobile, first of all, you have to ensure your phone supports T-Mobile network by entering your IMEI number on the Mint Mobile compatibility checker. Then, proceed to unlock your phone. You simply have to contact your current carrier to ensure your device is fully unlocked. And then gather your current account info, such as your billing zip code, transfer PIN, and your account number. Then choose a plan and buy a SIM kit and proceed to activate by simply downloading the Mint application and launching it onto your device. Then proceed to type your activation code by tapping on this Activate a SIM option and select the transfer option and insert the SIM or simply install the eSIM. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.